looks good. Yeah, of course. Yeah, more. Sorry. So we took the transportation from the border crossing with this family from Germany over here, and they just came to this hostel, and we're like, hey, because if we went together it's cheaper, 100 baht. And so we ended up here. This is where they booked their accommodation, and for us, for a like double bed, it was only $10. And look at this view.
عارفي شحال هذا واد قدو قداش دايز من هنايا وهذا هو الواد اللي غناخذو فيه الباط.
The view from my hostel for $5 each a night is insane. In the middle of the jungle. I have a feeling that Laos is gonna be very, very, very top of my list. Look how beautiful this is. So good. And we just happened upon it because of this family over here. And we're about to have our first meal in Laos.
First meal.
It looks so good. I'm not gonna lie, the fried rice is good. Is it better than Thailand? Try it. Dun, dun, dun. Drum roll. Good? Like Thailand? Mmm. 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 Hi. Come here. Hush. Hi. Hi. Hello. So I'm just here in our accommodation now. We made it here, checked in, ate. So we paid $10 altogether for this room. It's, you know, like a double bed or queen bed, double bed, and bathroom. But we were told that on the slow boat there's like no food and that we will starve for 2 days apparently. And so we want to be prepared. And this might be excessive, but we're also going to be just backpacking and we're on a budget anyways, so why not have snacks that will last? So this is all of the things we just bought for the boat and beyond. We have some like natural nut and oat granola bars, some protein bars, Ritz. We got a number of nuts and broad beans, some seeds, sunflower seeds, tuna cans, some rice crackers, and some fruit. We also ordered a fried rice and papaya salad that we will get tomorrow before we leave. So I mean, I think it's 2 days. It should be good. We should be okay, I think. Oder ich gehe raus, ist auch okay. Houay Xai. I know I'm saying that wrong. This is on the border of Thailand and Laos, the bordering city. I'm about to get on the slow boat that will take us all the way to Luang Prabang. It should take 2 days. We'll stay overnight in a small town along the way. Yeah, it costs 700 baht, about 40,000 kip, 400,000 kip. Put the numbers down, confusing myself. But it's supposed to take 2 days, 1 night. And it's really funny because the seats inside are made from like car seats. And here we go! Off to our first night. Hello! We are now leaving the port and we are on our way to Pakbeng. We'll be staying there overnight. I don't know how long this will take, but we are set to go. We have all of our food things here. And this is the Mekong Delta, accompanied by a refrigerator. السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
لاباس؟
بخير، كل شيء زين؟
بخير، مزيان؟ فين قاعدين يا اخويا؟
هذا البايبان.
بابين. مزيان؟ مزيان. بابين. لانغ بابين. عافية؟ اوكي. سلامة. Crossing the, again, that's Thailand right there. Sawadika, Thailand. Sawadi. Yeah, you have to like climb the mountain or something. I think it's good question. It looks like that's the communism flag, isn't it? Is that Vietnam's flag? Honestly, now I think we might have been over-prepared because, of course, we are in Southeast Asia. There is, of course, stops along the riverbank, and there is, of course, ladies selling us snacks. We did not need to buy so many snacks. Sawadee. Kop chai. Oh, sawadee. Oh, sending the bike. Yeah. You gotta travel. It's lunchtime on the boat. We have some fried rice and some papaya salad. But you know what? It makes me sad because this papaya salad is very fishy. And I used to go like every other day for the last month to this lady on Walking Street in Pai to get a papaya salad. And it was so peanutty and spicy and fresh and fragrant. And I'm not gonna lie, like I'm eating this and I'm eating it just to get my veggies and because we might be hungry later. But it tastes like I'm eating papaya fish. Like if the papaya was raised in the ocean like a fish, this is what the papaya salad would taste like. Good from Pakbeng. We're leaving Pakbeng. We're on the slow boat again. They changed the boats. This one's a lot fancier. We have a table. The view is excellent. Yesterday it actually went really well. I didn't get sick. We had a couple drinks. We had some snacks. Played some games. Met some cool people. And yeah, so now day 2. And we arrived around 5 or 6 p.m. something like that. So it really was a lot shorter than I thought. And now day 2, arriving in Luang Prabang after this afternoon. This is so cool, look. That's you singing me, but
It's a cave. It's a cave,
yeah, it's like just like that, I think our journey's over. We made it to Luang Prabang. It's over.
can be patient.
It's over. We made it from our 2-day boat. I don't remember what I was saying. I was confused. I'll continue this later. I need to find my accommodation and my shoes. Cup chai.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Wait, thank you. There's a lot of obstacles to get off of this boat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at obstacle number 3. If you made it off the boat, I hope you don't trip and fall into the boat again.
A brand new harbour laptop and all of the rest of the fucking luggage is present.
Uh-huh.
I was like, wow, I made it brand new. Oh, okay, probably both, but foreigner price, yeah.
The race of the tuk-tuks. Yeah. We're winning.
They're aggressive though, they're gonna take over. Oh, okay, number 1.
We was number 1.
Why did they say like only 4 people?
Ah! No! Start throwing bananas! No!
I know. It's
Finally, our 2-day boat journey is over. We made it to Luang Prabang. We're in a tuk-tuk.
There's no McDonald's.
We
mate.
didn't want to
I don't know
walk.
if there is a
We
McDonald's.
refused, and then finally it stopped, and we're paying 50,000
Yeah,
for the 2 of
probably,
us,
unfortunately.
each. And yeah, wow, incredible. I think it's really crazy right now. It's better than walking, I think.
why is McDonald's so expensive though?
A few smaller ones, but there was a big reaction.
Ah. Were there a lot of women in your accommodation? Khwansi Waterfall. We drove a crazy hour road here just right outside of Luang Prabang. I guess we're still in Luang Prabang. But it's like an hour motorbike ride and the road was treacherous. We had a minor incident. Wah, wah. But really, like the potholes are like they're to your knee. Like really, they're huge and they're sharp and anyways. But we made it, we're here. It cost 60,000 kip to get in. And they give you this little like electric golf cart thing to get you there. Crushingly cold. On the contrary, my friend, the view right here. Yeah, we showed up a little late. And then they like petitioned for, oh, they made this special, it was a monk's library, so that way the monks didn't have to be hot. And then so they made it like this beautiful place. But then in 1940 something they recognized it as like this beautiful place. Bye bye Luang Prabang, and hello to, oh, that's the Mekong Delta, but hello to Nong Khiaw. It's about 4 hours north, and we're in this little minibus. It's really comfortable actually. I thought we were getting more people, but hopefully it's by ourselves. It is noon, and this costs 200,000 per person to get there. How you manage to sit like that in the van? Look at you. You're the most Moroccan human on the planet. Look at you. Shakiest footage you're gonna be on all of YouTube. Ugh. You're repeating what I told you. Cabrón. Good morning from Nong Khiaw. We made it last night and it was raining took almost 5 hours actually to get here. We got some breakfast right here. Pretty good prices too. We paid about 40,000 for fruit and yogurt, 45 for egg, or maybe that's reversed. Egg, omelet, bread, homemade bread, and also 2 coffees. It's good and everyone's so sweet here. We rented this bike. It's an electric bike. It's so quiet, but it makes no noise, but it's 150,000 kip for 12 hours, which actually is like kind of, normally that's the max we pay for like a day. I feel like for a regular bike, 12 hours isn't a lot. But anyways, these mountains are stunning. We'll see. So this is like near to where we would have stayed. Yeah. Somewhere here. Wow.
This is the place. Wow.
We're at the Pha Kuang Cave now, right here, right actually outside of our accommodation. And this cave was used during the Indochina War during the 60s, 1960s, for refuge for the people here, the local Laotian people. They would hide in these caves, and at first it was just a small little hole they could climb through. But then when somebody bombed them, it opened a big hole inside, and now you could go in and you see all the thing. And the way that they survived, some people climbed through the small holes and took their clothing and stuffed the holes so that way they could survive, and some survived. Pretty much everybody else on the outside of this beautiful, beautiful place perished. Wow. The limestone is incredible, no? It's very slippery.
Yeah.
It already feels like we're deep in the jungle. You know, once I got a concussion. You know, I got a concussion before, and it's because we were running through tunnels just like that. Look at this. Wow. You see this?
Wow. What is this?
I have no idea.
Wow.
That's why I told you you're gonna get dirty and we should wear pants.
It's hard.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, more.
Oh.
Leave the water. We'll get it. On the way back. You want me to go?
Huh?
You want me to see?
Yes, but...
Do you get claustrophobic?
It will continue like this.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
I think it will open.
Come to...
Oh, sure. Suck it in. Oh. Good job, mi amor. And look. It's okay?
Yes.
It gets bigger? Bigger is a interesting question.
Right. Okay.
Should I come?
Let me continue a little bit. Here there is... You will find some spiders, okay?
Yeah. Scary ones or regular cave ones?
I don't know. But it jumped.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, oh.
I can no longer see. So, we've crawled through many a tunnel, tiny little tunnels, low crawling, and we made it into this big room. And really, the people, like, this is how you know we're not meant to be. Well, okay. I think the people are so little. It's kind of like when you're in the Ho Chi Minh Temple. What I was saying was that, yeah, these tunnels and some of the spaces are so small. Like, they're not meant for big, giant European, Moroccan, Americans to be climbing through, clearly. But really, they're beautiful here. It's insane. So many different, so clean. Good?
Yeah.
Useful. And you know how you hit your head like on the thing? We were down like this, ducking. You could run, and it lowered. And it took me backwards. And I like saw the stars like in the cartoon. But then I was fine, and I went out. Later on, I'm like, guys, where's the bathroom? And I was like, we've been here for months. I was having a concussion.
Oh.
Okay. And now, this way.
The chairs.
Ready to low pro? It's that time again.
Yes. You good?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I feel like you make it back to me. Here, with your head. Right here. And it drops dramatically.
Wiping my sweat away.
Destiny, what is your feeling?
My feeling is pure bliss. This is amazing. Look at the view. I mean, can it get better?
You want to go there?
I do. And to think we didn't want to pay 40,000 kip to get here. Look.
But it's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it. With all the little bites that we're getting eaten alive, everything. Look. So, and the fact we're staying like right here. Think, people live here.
Wow.
Wow.
And also people, they live there.
And also people live maybe there. No.
Accra people.
Yeah. I go, yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe they live there. I want to live there. A lot of people. What's that? What's happening? Yes, Ian, what's happening?
It's a competition for...
Yeah. Okay. Safi. I think it's rowing or canoeing.
Yeah.
Maybe they're having a competition of this. I have no idea.
Yeah.
I didn't even know this many people lived in this village.
But if you see in the river, there is a boat.
Yeah, I saw the boat. But you see this big market? What's today, Saturday? We're leaving Nong Khiaw and going to Muang Xay, and there's like 1 billion people. Like really, I didn't even know this many people could fit in this village.
Last time we asked where is people.
We said, where's people? All the people in Laos are right here, right now. Every single person. Sorry. So cool. Hello from Muang Xay. Hello. Sorry. Hello from Muang Xay. We are at the train station heading back to Luang Prabang. Our hopes of going to the north has foiled. There are no roads that are open. You're supposed to take boats, but the water is flooded, the rivers are flooded. So now we're heading to the adventure capital, but there's no train tickets there. So we're going to Luang Prabang. We are boarding the train here in a minute. And I think it should only be like an hour or two. It's the fast train. It is about $5 each. And we will arrive at like 5 p.m.
Yes, this way please.
Okay, thank you.
Yasin, it's beautiful.
So nice.
It's like a movie.
It's HD movie.
You seen something like this before?
No.
Well, I've seen something like this. Listen. Hello. Hi, mi amor. Are you gonna prepare a meal? Yeah, Yana. Cold still. It's actually still cold, yeah.
We put the noodle first.
No, the noodle go last.
Yeah?
Yeah. So Eddie. Sorry. Yasin, what are we doing? Hey. Hello from Vang Vieng. We are about to go ziplining. We are at TCK Ziplines and it's cold. And we're about to go ziplining in this beautiful, magical place. Wow. Oh, it's just crossing the river. Okay. It's so pretty out here, it's so pretty out here. I don't know the words, but look it. I would want that to be my drive. Bye bye, Vang Vieng. It is beautiful here. We went ziplining and saw some sunset views and stuff. There's a lot of activities you could do here. They're a little bit expensive. And so now we're leaving to the capital to head to Vietnam. No, after the capital. It looks good.
I never see in my life.
Morning. I'm eyeballing this dragon fruit still. Never seen one before.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Look how big that dragon fruit is. Like food street.
That's new.
Yeah.
Show me the dragon first.
It's so cold too. I want to eat it now.
Wow.
Look at this thing. It's massive.
So big. Wow.
Oh. Huh? That's perfect. I got them.